OSA IGDTUW Student Chapter welcomes you all to the orientation session of the society. Beginning with, what is OSA IGDTUW Student Chapter? It was founded in May 2019 under the able guidance of our faculty advisor Dr. Surendra Sir. It is one of the youngest societies of IGDTUW and one of the youngest OSA chapters in the world. So basically, what is OSA? It stands for Optical Society of America. It is a large umbrella of scientists and enthusiasts to work and share ideas. Within a short span of time, the society has organized and participated in various national and international level events, and we look forward to participate in even more. Coming to the torch bearers of the society, the faculty advisors of our society is Dr. Dinesh Kanotra. He's the faculty advisor of the society. He's a PhD from IIT Delhi and postdoc from University of Arizona, USA. His expertise in various fields like digital image processing, QR code, pattern recognition, etc. And he has a list of publications in international referred journals. Coming to the co-advisor of our society, the co-faculty advisor of our society is Dr. Surendra Sir. He is PhD from Delhi University and he has published numerous research papers in Scopus and various international journals. He is an able leader and guide for our society. His motivation and determination has led society to the position where it stands now.
Okay, so I guess सुरेंद्र सर फर्स्ट ईयर में भी पढ़ाते होंगे. So he is a very chill kind of person and इनकी बेस्ट बात ये है कि इनके पास 100 बार भी डाउट लेके जाओगे ना तो ये हमेशा सॉल्व करते हैं. बहुत चिल टाइप के हैं. So I guess he is like guide for our society and he's like the best person of our society. Now we shall move forward to the core members of our society. Okay, so beginning with president of our society, Siddhi. She was present. She is present in the meeting, and she was interacting with you all when her video was on. So she was former intern at IBM, upcoming software intern at Microsoft, third year IT student, a keen learner. All our like events and all the things that we have organized was all under her till now. So I guess she's in the meeting, but she has put off her camera. Next is Vice President of the Society, that's me, Garima Sharma. I was formerly interning with InmoVidoo in cybersecurity. I love researching about network security, communication security, and ethical hacking, these domains. I like exploring about this. Next, moving on to other members. Secretary of the Society is Kriti Dubey.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, there she is. She is former Python intern at Internshala. She's second year IT student, proficient in various programming languages like C, C++, Python, and she's, I guess, researching about Java as well. So she has made some real life projects on Python and she loves exploring data science. Next, we move on to our technical head, Kavita. She's the one who is hosting the meeting right now. I guess she has put herself on mute. She was former cloud computing intern at Virgio. She's second year CSE student. She has very proficient technical skills, like in all the events that we organize. Yes, there she is. She has put on her video, and she loves exploring industry valued computing skills. And in all the events that we organized till now, she always heads the technical team. Next, moving on to our executive officer, Vaishnavi Srivastav.
Hello.
Yeah. So she was former Python intern at Internshala. She has qualified National Engineering Olympiad this year in 2020. She's second year IT student. Her excellent management skills had like boost the management of all the events that we do. So she's the executive officer in all our events. Last is next our chapter officer is treasurer Tamanna. She was present in the meeting, but I got a message that I guess her network issues are there. So anyways, she was former web development intern at InmoVidoo. She's second year IT student. She manages finance related matters in the society. She loves exploring web development. She knows good amount of front end and back end web development. Okay, so that was about what OSA IGDTUW student chapter is and about the members of the society. Now I give it to Kriti Dubey and she will let you know about the opportunities in this society. Over to you.
Okay. So coming to the opportunities, the first opportunity, okay. So you may get a chance to personally attend a conference in USA. So in this conference, people from different countries and come from different countries and showcase their research paper. So this is a really very great opportunity to learn and connect with the experts. And in 2019, Deeksha D, who was the former intern at Uber and upcoming software intern at Bidra, got the chance to attend this conference in USA. So it's really very great opportunity. So going to the next point. Okay. So you can be a part of the mentorship program organized by the OSA USA. So the student who have interest in technical or science related fields can be mentored under the experts from OSA USA. So this year, two members of the OSA IGT student chapter, one our president Siddhidi and other PhD scholar Ritu ma'am, got recommended for the mentorship program by our team. Third point. Okay. So you will get a chance to work on some real life projects. Like as you all know, that projects are very important for the internships and placements. And we are also planning to work on some big real life projects like automatic telescope, then RoboWin, etc. And if you have your own idea, then we can provide you the mentor and also the funds. So this is a great platform for you all to work on some great projects in your first year only and build your creative resume. So going to the next point. Okay. So you will be a part of the organizing team of international conferences held at our college. So this is also a very good opportunity for you all to develop some professional skills. Every year we organize webinars and conferences. Next year also we are planning to organize an international conference. So as a part of the organizing team, this will really help you in developing a communication skill, then teamwork, and also help in developing relation with the seniors and faculty members. So yeah, so going to the next point, fifth one. Okay. So you will get an opportunity to travel to various places as educational trips. So this is interesting part. So last year we went to JP Noida to attend a conference, and this also we had planned to go to Nainital, but due to this pandemic we couldn't go there. But we surely will plan another trip for the member of the OSA. So it will really going to be a very fun trip. So yeah, next. Okay. So these are just a few of the opportunities. The society provide you all the requirements like funds, mentors, proper guidance, because it focuses not only on the technical skills, but also on the overall growth and development of the student. So yeah, that's it. And now I would like to share a very exciting news with you all that we are starting a new club in our society, the Astrophotography Club, which would be carried out under the guidance of Dr. Parminder Singh sir. So here we will be observing celestial objects in the space, and also we can organize some trips to different places. So yeah, so कौन interested इसमें? You can say yes or gives a thumbs up in the chat box. Yeah, great. Nice. Nice. Okay. So moving to you, Vaishnavi.
Okay, so first of all, let me see the chat. Someone was asking something, I guess. दी रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ मिलेगी? मेल कर देना, आप हमें भेज देंगे. Okay, so yeah, I am Vaishnavi Srivastava, Executive Officer of OSA IGDTUW IT1 and school from DPS Kalyanpur. Chalo, opportunities ho gayi, so let's move on to the events which we have organized till date. So the first event in which we participated as a society was INNER, the technical fest of our society. So we had organized various fun events related to science and optics. You can see the pictures on your screen. ये इनर में बीच में कृति और तमन्ना है ऐसे पोज मारते हुए, और हम लोग काफ़ी सारे रजिस्ट्रेशंस हुए थे उस समय, और काफ़ी मतलब वो पहला इवेंट था आई गेस ओसा सोसाइटी में, क्योंकि उसके पहले हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे थे। एकदम नए ज्वाइन किया था हमने, तो उसी टाइम पे हमने स्टार्ट किया था सब करना। तो ये पहला इवेंट था। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं इसको कर नहीं पाई थी अटेंड, बट हाँ मैंने सुना है कि काफ़ी अच्छा था ये इवेंट। सो ओके, गरिमा नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। एस्मेट 2020, सो या इसमें मैं थी, इसमें सब थे। तो कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट इवेंट, one of the biggest event that any society has organized in IGDTUW till date, in which participants were from all around the world. ASMET 2020, you can see the pictures. So basically ASMET was organized by OSA IGDTUW in collaboration with the ASH department, जिस डिपार्टमेंट में आप करेंटली होगे शायद, छाया मैम उसकी HOD मतलब वो डीन है। और हमने क्या क्या किया था उसमें, हमने डिज़ाइनिंग से लेकर मैनेजमेंट तक सब कुछ किया था, सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया था फर्स्ट ईयर में ही। जब मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में वी इवन लेड अ टीम ऑफ अराउंड 50 वॉलंटियर्स एंड वी फेस मेनी चैलेंजेस, एंड बीइंग द टीम लीडर्स हम लोग को एकदम स्पॉन्टेनियस डिसीजंस लेने होते थे, काफ़ी टफ डिसीजंस लेने होते थे कि ये नहीं ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करो, ये करो। लोगों को बोलना होता था कि आप प्लीज़ ये मत करो ऐसे। तो और मतलब हम सब काफ़ी इंट्रोवर्ट टाइप के थे, तो बोलना इस तरीके से थोड़ा-सा कठिन था हमारे लिए, बट हाँ, काफ़ी सारे चैलेंजेस थे। सब फेस करने के बाद भी हम लोगों ने सब कुछ अच्छे से मैनेज किया, एंड इट वाज़ अ सक्सेसफुल इवेंट, एंड एवरीवन इंक्लूडिंग आवर वीसी एंड आवर HOD, आवर रजिस्ट्रार सर और हमारे सारे प्रोफेसर्स काफ़ी खुश थे। पर्सनली मैंने क्या गेन किया, हम सब ने क्या गेन किया, हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस, हमें एक चीज़ पता चल गई कि एक्सपीरियंस कितना वैल्यूएबल है। एक्सपीरियंस इज़ मोर वैल्यूएबल दैन योर सर्टिफिकेट्स, दैट्स फॉर श्योर। मतलब वो हमें काफ़ी अच्छे से समझ में आ गया कि वो कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं। बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिसके लिए शायद हम लोग को कभी हम लोग के सर्टिफिकेट्स में वो लिखा नहीं जाएगा, बट वो एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छे थे हमारे लिए, काफ़ी मतलब काफ़ी इफ़ेक्ट किया है उसने। मेरे लिए एस्मेट पर्सनली बहुत अच्छा लगा था मुझे उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करके, उसको ऑर्गेनाइज़ करके, और काफ़ी ऐसे प्रोफ़ेशनल लोग आए थे उसमें, उनसे बात करना, हम लोगों को इतने अच्छे-अच्छे लोगों से बात करने का मौका मिला था, इतने प्रोफ़ेशनल थे सब। और कुछ जो हम लोग गलतियाँ भी कर रहे थे ना थोड़ी बहुत, वो कुछ ज़्यादा ऐसे कोई बोल नहीं रहा था, क्योंकि उन सबको पता था कि हम लोग फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो हमसे ऐसी गलतियाँ होंगी, बट फिर भी हम लोगों को बहुत मज़ा आया था और बहुत अच्छा इवेंट था। तो ये सारी जितने भी फ़ोटोज़ हैं ये हमारे वॉलंटियर्स के साथ, और ये सारी फ़ोटोज़। गरिमा नेक्स्ट। ये ताइवान से आए थे वो सर, ये जो बड़ी सी फ़ोटो है, ये काफ़ी सारे मतलब 2 दिन का इवेंट था बेसिकली, और काफ़ी कुछ हम लोगों ने इसमें और बहुत सारी चीज़ें करी थी। हम लोगों ने रिपोर्ट्स चेक करी थी, लोगों की प्लेगैरिज़्म चेक किया था। 9 बजे से 5 बजे तक बैठे रहते थे। डिज़ाइनिंग टीम के लिए हम लोग इधर-उधर भागते रहते थे। स्पॉन्सरशिप के लिए भी भागते रहते थे। तो बेसिकली या हर चीज़ में हम लोग को सारे टाइप की टीम्स का एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया था हमें इसमें। ये सारे जितने भी लोग हैं, चीफ गेस्ट एंड गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर, काफ़ी सारे अच्छे खासे बड़े-बड़े लोग आए थे। काफ़ी मज़ा आई थी इसमें। सो बेसिकली या यही था इवेंट्स में। ओवर टू यू कविता।
Let us show you the glimpses of our past events.
Yeah.
ओके, सो चैट में किसी ने लिखा है कि हम नहीं कर पाएँगे। ऐसा नहीं है।
होप फॉर द बेस्ट। सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
लॉकडाउन भी एक मतलब लॉकडाउन तो है नहीं, वैसे भी कॉलेज खुलेंगे कभी ना कभी तो, या एस्मेट अभी होगा वैसे, ऑनलाइन ही हो रहा है बट होगा, ऑर्गेनाइज तो करवाएंगे,
या
बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं, मतलब ऑनलाइन भी हम लोग काफ़ी सारे इवेंट्स प्लान कर रहे हैं, हम लोग करवाए भी हैं। बेसिक क्राइटेरिया फॉर सिलेक्शन इन द सोसाइटी, फिल द फॉर्म।
Let's finish the orientation first. So next we move on to the quiz. So please read the rules, and if you couldn't, I am reading for you. You have to go to kahoot.it, and the questions will be displayed on your screen, on our screen on the meeting only, and it consists of 10 questions. You get 30 seconds for every question, and there is no negative marking. Kahoot.it, just go for it. For the people who joined right now, visit kahoot.it. We'll be sharing the pin. Okay, so the pin is on your screen, 1828425. Join the quiz, everybody. You'll be getting goodies. The pin is 1828425. It's visible on the screen, Ishita.
Shall we begin?
Everybody joined. We'll be beginning then. Okay, so let's start. Students are responding so fast. That's nice. Actually, we have also kept a very basic quiz ना इसलिए.
कविता क्वेश्चंस रीड कर दे.
Okay.
श्रुति जायसवाल, नेहा कनिका, सुकृति. एसबी कौन है?
हम बाद में पूछ लेंगे ना. We'll ask on chat. Millikan's oil drop experiment makes use of. Come on, everybody, jaldi. Only 5 seconds left. Let's see how many knows this. Mehal seems to be winning. Let's see. Okay, so the sixth question is evidence of the wave nature of light cannot be obtained from. Which blood cells are called soldiers of the body? Almost everybody answered this. About how much energy entering Earth's atmosphere is from the sun? engineering students must be knowing this. Obviously, this is so obvious for everybody. Nehal is still on the top. Okay, so last question. Anything which depends upon the initial and final state of a system is okay. So this ends our quiz, and we'll have the results now. Third position, Akriti. Second, Dharya. And first is Nehal, of course. Okay, so shout out to you all three. Please give your full names and email IDs and contact numbers in the chat box. Okay, so anybody who have doubts may unmute themselves or use the chat. You may clear your doubts now, if you have any. Kriti, Dharya, and Nehal, please share your email IDs as well.
Everyone is requested to fill their feedback form. It would be great for us. And basically, we are planning to आद्या यू आर आस्किंग ना कि एस्ट्रोग्राफी ज्वाइन करने के लिए क्या करना होगा, तो लाइक ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि कोई एग्जाम लेंगे हम। बेसिकली तुम्हें हम जो प्लान कर रहे हैं उसमें अभी तो क्योंकि सारी चीजें वर्चुअल हो रही है, तो वी आर प्लानिंग कि हम कुछ वर्चुअल कराएं। तो बेसिकली हम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाएंगे, तो हमारे मेन ग्रुप पे जिन्हें अपने हमारे सब ग्रुप्स में जाना होगा तो हम उसे डिवाइड कर देंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग इंटरव्यू लेके।
Those who are interested in joining our society can join this WhatsApp group. We have shared the link in the chat.
Even you can ask your friend अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि हाँ मतलब इंटरेस्टिंग सोसाइटी है या फिर जो भी जस्ट लाइक कि ज्वाइन करने से ऐसे कि नहीं है कि आपको मतलब पार्ट होना ही पड़ेगा. यू मे ज्वाइन एंड एक्सप्लोर एंड आस्क समथिंग एंड एक दो एक्टिविटीज तक देख लो. लाइक ऐसा कुछ कंपल्सेशन नहीं है कि व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है तो फिर पूरे साथ ही मतलब सोसाइटी का पार्ट ही होना पड़ेगा. Firstly, if you are interested in our societies and activities, just join the group and even ask your friend for the same. और फिर अगर सोसाइटी अच्छी लगेगी, एक्टिविटीज इंटरेस्टिंग लगेंगी तो फिर ज्वाइन कर लेना, मतलब ऑफिशियली ज्वाइन कर लेना. एंड बाकी
Yeah, it's
किसी को
like
तो
take your time and then we'll be circulating forms and then fill it. And your friends might have missed it due to some or the other reason. You may convey it to them as well.
Okay. Any questions?
लाइक सोसाइटी के रिगार्डिंग कोई क्वेश्चन है कि लाइक अभी समझ नहीं आया हो कि बेसिकली क्या करना है, कि मतलब बेसिकली करना क्या है और लाइक कैसे ग्रुप्स के बनेंगे, या फिर ऐसा कुछ कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लो, या फिर हमें पीएम भी कर सकते हो कभी भी, हम ग्रुप पे भी होंगे. सो
भी आपने रिकॉर्डिंग करी है ना, तो प्लीज डिस्कॉर्ड
हाँ.
पे भेज देना क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग के 10-15 मिनट के मिस हो गई थी.
ओके ओके श्योर. हम अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे डाल देंगे तो हम इसकी लिंक भेज देंगे.
ओके.